storm's coming in fast.
Secure the equipment.
Get that next load right over here.
Coming right up.
The sand is cold and hard in the morning. Excavators dig slowly while bulldozers break the frozen surface.
Got a flat, huh?
Yep, looks like a blown tire. I'll have you back on the road in a jiffy.
The crane lifts slowly while everyone watches. One steady move, and the job is done.
Quick, that next load is coming. We gotta get this cleared. Go! Grab those shovels. Let's go, let's go.